My name is Sam. I've done this small project with my Arduino board. It's an Arduino Uno. And the components involved in this project are my ACSR04 ultrasonic sensor, piezo, 2 LEDs, 2 resistors, 9 volts battery, and some cables or wires for wiring. Now, I'll explain a bit of my components that I'm using today. I'll start with the sensor. The ultrasonic sensor is the SCSO4, got 4 pins. One of them from the left side is VCC, which is connected to the brain board, the positive side of the brain board. And then we've got the second one to be the charge, which goes, the charge goes to the pin 13 on the Arduino board. And then we got the echo, which goes to pin 12 on the Arduino board. That's all goes to the digital side. And then we got the last one to be the ground, which goes on the breadboard on the over there, so you can see. Now when you get to that, we connect the power from the Arduino board to the breadboard. Then we got a source of power. Now you've got a piezo, which is an alarm. It also vibrates sometimes. In this case, we use it as an alarm when the sensor triggered. So literally what happens is when the sensor senses or catches any image, the piezo triggered, the alarm comes out. And then I've got 2 resistors which are connected. All of them are connected from the positive side. Now we got the resistors, which is connected from the negative side of each LED to the negative side of the breadboard. So we test it, what we've done here, if it's working or not. So this is my cable, plug it in, then I have to load the codes from the computer. Yeah, the code is loaded within 5. Now it's ready. In case of any movement, the alarm will go. Now you can hear the alarm going, and then the flashlights are flashing. So if anything, you come back and then you reset it, then it recalibrate again, and then if another movement, it detects any movement again. It's about 150 centimeters, or then it goes up again. I think our system is working. Now I can also use 9 volts battery. Let's try that and see. That goes to the power socket. It's recalibrating again, and then if there's any movement, it's ready now. If it is movement, it will start beeping. Now you can see it's beeping. So now, without not connecting it to the computer with the USB, we can remotely remove it to anywhere. I think we are done. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.